Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious flan in the oven. First, gather your simple ingredients like eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Begin by melting about 1 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden amber. Carefully pour this hot caramel into your individual ramekins or a single baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. This creates that signature sweet topping. Next, let's prepare the creamy flan base. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, and about half a cup of sugar until smooth. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it just simmers, but do not let it boil. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. This ensures a silky smooth custard. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared flan mixture over the cooled caramel in your ramekins or baking dish. Place these dishes into a larger roasting pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of your flan dishes. This water bath ensures even, gentle cooking. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until just set. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This step is crucial for the flan to set properly. After cooling, refrigerate your flan for at least 4 hours, but ideally overnight, to achieve the best texture and flavor. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of each flan, then invert it onto a serving plate. The luscious caramel sauce will cascade over the custard. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.